Hey there YouTube, today is Friday, May 31st, 2019, so it's the last day of the month. It's about 6:23 in the evening, and I just want to introduce you to our new to us Winnebago Micro Mini 2017 2106 DS model. So you can see it here from the front. I've got a 200 watt solar panel there on the left hooked up to it. We've got an Anderson hitch and weight distribution system on it there. I've added a second battery in parallel, so we got two batteries, and I've got them on the solar right now. This has got the two propane tanks, 20 pounders down here. Over here would be the driver's side. This is the storage unit. We've got quite a few things in there, and it'll hold even a lot more than that, so I like that. Got this window, and this here is a slide out. We don't have the slide out right now, but it does work. We've had it out several times here. Show you the tires and the wheels and what they look like. I think they're kind of pretty. Here's all your various hookups and outside shower. Your dump down there, and you can see up here it says Micro Mini there. Now back here, you can see we got some stickers from Sticker Mule right there. And one of the stickers is that, and that's what we're calling this, Red Dragon Adventures. And then down here is my YouTube channel, but if you're watching this video, you already know that, but got that on there. And so as we come around to the passenger side now, you can see it says Micro Mini again up there, and of course there's all the regular things: the water heater, the refrigerator, the vent, another window, the door. There's the back of our solar panel there, and the other side of the storage. So right there's the steps. And so for now, let's go inside, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in there. Okay, so now we've stepped inside, and I've closed the door for quietness here. But you can see as you step in, then just here, just to the very front left of you, there is one of the couches right there. And just to show you this area, what we've done, we got a nice little towels hanging there. Picture in that little place. Got our grandbaby right there. Looking beautiful as she always does. Another little picture right there. It's got some glare on it. Some towels. Right over here is the TV. The radio. There's some storage down there. Some storage up above. And we have put our TV remote control right up there, you see. So as we spin on around, right there, of course, there's the freezer and the refrigerator, and then the heater down there. Right there is the oven and the stove. You can see all the little trinkets and things that we have in there. Turn that light on there just so you can see a little bit better. So you can see all the spice racks and different things that she's got set up. And here, most of the women will appreciate this. How's that? Alright, and then here we have the sink. And there's some storage underneath that and some drawers and things. So we do like the double sink though. Got some storage up there, and you can see got a paper towel rack. Got us a Texas pot holder there. There's the door that we just came into a minute ago. You can see we got some jackets hanging up there. This of course is the bed. Let me step back. And there you go. You can see we've got us a Texas motif going here. Just like so. And then of course, Lone Star flag on the pillows. You can see we've put a little net up here and just put some styrofoam cups and bowls up in there. We got that cute little clock we put right there. A 9-inch clock will fit perfectly. There is a vent over the bed. And then you can see she's got a picture hanging there. A couple other little ones right there. And then over on this side, there's a couple of buffaloes right there. And right down here in this corner, let me pull these out. You're calling this, because of the color, the Red Dragon Adventures. So that to the left is the Red Dragon, and that's his wife in pink to our right, his left. So he will be starring in every video, some way, somehow, that we do of these. So on my YouTube channel, just look for Red Dragon Adventures, and whatever we make in this will be what we have there. Oh, and right there as you come in the door, you see there's a little extra counter space you can pop up, and it'll stay there, so you got a little bit of extra prep space. And back here, the only thing that's remaining is the bathroom. So you can see the King's Throne there. Right here is the shower, and the shower really is a very nice size. Now up here, you can see we bought this thing and hung it. It's just by Velcro. Shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. Haven't changed out the head or anything. Probably will be doing that later. But it's a pretty good sized shower, actually. So you got a towel hanging there. There's a vent, or a skylight actually. Then this is the vent right here. Haven't put anything in this yet, but of course that's going to store all kinds of things. We've got our broom hanging right there. And right there is me in the mirror. Got some more paper towels back here. There's the sink. A little bit of storage down there. And then you've got storage down there at the bottom. And then this whole big thing here. And so, in this picture. Then we got this little hook here to hang up things on that as well. Alright, so that's the tour of the whole inside and the outside. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff. Leave me a comment. I certainly appreciate it. So take care, and let's get ready to get this thing on the road, and we'll get going towards the West Coast and then finally up to Alaska. So stay tuned.